Retrieving backed up emails from your iPad.
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to discuss how to retrieve emails from a previously backed up iPad. If you've backed up your device, either to iCloud or your computer, and need to access your emails from this backup, this step-by-step tutorial is for you. So, let's get started.
What is a backup and how does it work?
A backup is essentially a copy of the data stored on your iPad. It includes your emails, photos, contacts, and much more. When you back up your iPad, either to iCloud or to your computer, this information is stored securely, allowing you to retrieve it in case of loss, theft, or simply for transferring data to a new device. Remember, if you want to retrieve emails from a backup, you need to restore the backup to your device.
Restoring from an iCloud backup.
If you've backed up your iPad to iCloud, you can restore the backup to retrieve your emails. But be aware, this will replace the existing data on your iPad. 1. First, make sure that your iPad is connected to a Wi-Fi network. 2. Navigate to Settings, then General, and finally, Reset. 3. Select Erase all content and settings. Remember, this will delete all information on your iPad, so make sure you have everything important saved elsewhere. 4. After erasing, your iPad will restart. Follow the steps until you reach the Apps and Data screen. 5. Select Restore from iCloud Backup, then sign in to iCloud. 6. Choose the backup you want to restore. Your iPad will then begin the process of restoring from the backup. Once this is done, you should be able to access your emails.
Restoring from a computer backup.
If your backup is on a computer, the process is slightly different. 1. Connect your iPad to your computer. 2. Open iTunes on PCs or macOS Mojave or earlier, or Finder on macOS Catalina or later. 3. Select your iPad when it appears in the application. 4. Select Restore Backup. 5. Choose the correct backup from the list, then click Restore. Wait for the restore process to finish before disconnecting your iPad. Once it's done, your emails should be accessible again. And that's it. You've learned how to retrieve emails from a previously backed up iPad. Remember, restoring a backup replaces the current data on your iPad, so it's always a good idea to make sure you've saved any important data elsewhere before starting. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.